Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pepperoni pizza. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine 4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it doubles in size. This step is crucial for a perfect crust. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out into your desired shape, typically a 12-inch circle. Transfer it to a pizza pan or stone. Now, for the toppings. Spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a 1/2-inch border around the edges for the crust. Next, sprinkle 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese generously over the sauce. Now for the star of the show, the pepperoni. Arrange about 4 ounces of pepperoni slices evenly across the cheese. Don't overcrowd it, as you want each slice to crisp up nicely. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your pizza to the hot oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Your delicious homemade pepperoni pizza is ready. Carefully remove it from the oven. It's important to let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. For an extra touch, you can garnish with fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Slice it up and enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.